Hey you guys, Tim here with you. I've got a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C250 I'm putting an alternator on today. I just want to show you the easy way to do it. Let me turn my camera around. It's a 1.8 liter turbocharged, like I said, C250. Jack it up, take your battery loose, jack it up, get it high enough to where you can get down under there and get those two covers off. Once you get them covers off, from the bottom down there, you take out the two Torx head bolts on the bottom of the alternator, plus the power line and where it plugs in. You can get to them down there real easy. I mean real easy. So do that and then come up here, take your turbo tube off. It's not too hard. 7mm clamp on that. 7mm clamp on that. It goes right across here, right here. Get it out of the way so you can get to your serpentine belt. Take your tension pulley right there. Take that loose, take your belt off. Your alternator fits, I've already got it off, it fits right down in here. And then to get to these top two bolts, I use a real short extension with a E32, I'm sorry, E14, and then the big one for the tension pulley is a T60. So anyway, yeah, you got to get this tube off here too. This comes right around here, comes from your after cooler. You just pull these little pin, just pull these up right here, and it comes right off. It goes up here, and it comes right out of your way. So anyway, that alternator comes out right here. Real super simple, not hard to get to. Two bolts on the bottom, two on the top. That are E12s. You got another little bracket down there, right here. It holds your. It goes on the front of the alternator. It's got a little, it's an E12 to get it out of there. It might be an E10, but anyway, that comes right off. No problem. Anyway, 2013 C250 1.8 liter turbo alternator removal. Not that hard to do. You can do this yourself. I promise you can do it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe to me, comment, like it, please. That helps me out a bunch. I appreciate everything. Thank you. Bye-bye.